Hi. Okay, I want to introduce a new DJ table for you. So this is a very compact. Everything, all of the parts are inside this package. So you just open, and take out. This is the table. Okay, we can just this. Now it can fold and it can open. Very easy. Okay, so now we first we add this arm for the. This is for the laptop.
两边都可以，那边也可以啊。
It can be installed here and also can be here. So this is the seat. The seat. Use this knob. Very easy to fix here. And here we have this for the table. This is for the hooks for the table. It can go inside. Yeah? It can go inside and out. This is the block. Here, and very easy to put the table on.
锁一个专业就行了。
Okay, so now we just need to fix this arm here for the laptop and put this arm here.
把手锁起。
This screw. And use the knobs to screw. For example, this. Together. Okay. 这个就可以了，这就锁了。And this is the cup holder. Can be installed here. Can be installed here. And this is the headphone holder. Headphone holder. We can install here. Very easy. So, finished.